Did you know that noticeable fitness improvements can happen in as little as 4 weeks? Yes, you heard that right. Just a month of consistent effort can lead to significant changes in your body and overall well-being. That's right. Consistent effort brings visible changes faster than you think. It's not just about the physical transformation, it's about the mental and emotional benefits too. This isn't just about drastic weight loss, it's about building a healthier, stronger version of yourself. We're talking increased energy, improved strength, and that amazing feeling of confidence that comes with crushing your fitness goals. Imagine waking up every day feeling more vibrant and ready to take on the world. We all lead busy lives, but prioritizing gym time is key. Even if it's just 30 minutes a day, those minutes add up to big changes over time. Think of it as an investment in yourself, a direct deposit into your health bank. Every drop of sweat is a step towards a healthier you. Regular exercise isn't just about looking good, it's about feeling fantastic from the inside out. It's about mental clarity, reduced stress, and a happier, more balanced life. So, are you ready to unlock your fitness potential? The journey might be challenging, but the rewards are worth every effort. Let's dive into the secrets of making the gym your new happy place. Discover the joy of pushing your limits and achieving what you once thought was impossible. Get ready to transform your body and mind, one workout at a time. Embrace the journey, celebrate the milestones, and enjoy the process of becoming the best version of yourself. Let's be real, finding the motivation to hit the gym can be tough. But the rewards? Totally worth it. Regular workouts are like magic for your body and mind. Think increased energy levels, reduced stress, and better sleep. Who wouldn't want that? Exercise is also your secret weapon against many health issues. Heart disease, type 2 diabetes, even some types of cancer. Regular workouts can significantly reduce your risk. Plus, let's not forget the mental benefits. Exercise is a proven mood booster, helping to combat anxiety and boost your overall happiness. Ready to feel amazing inside and out? Let's get moving! Starting a new gym routine is exciting, but staying consistent? That's a whole different ballgame. Now that's where the real challenge lies. It's easy to feel motivated at the beginning, but maintaining that drive can be tough. Life gets in the way. We get busy, unmotivated, or simply face the dreaded plateau. It's normal to feel frustrated or tired. Don't worry, we've all been there. Everyone faces these hurdles at some point in their fitness journey. The key is to identify those roadblocks and find ways to power through. Make a plan and stick to it. Time constraints got you down? Try quick, high-intensity workouts that fit your schedule. Even 20 minutes can make a difference. Feeling unmotivated? Grab a workout buddy for that extra push. Having someone to share the journey with can be incredibly motivating. And remember, progress isn't always linear. There will be times when it feels like you're not making any headway. There will be ups and downs, but consistency is key. Keep pushing forward, even when it feels tough. So stay strong, stay focused, and celebrate those small victories along the way. Every step forward is progress. You've got this. Fast-track your fitness strategies for quick and visible results. Ready to see those results and feel amazing? Let's talk strategy. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned athlete, these tips will help you get the most out of your workouts. The key to quick fitness gains? A combination of effective workout routines and a sprinkle of discipline. It's not just about working hard, but working smart. First up, frequency is key. Consistency in your workout schedule can make a huge difference. Aim for at least 3 to 4 workouts per week to really kickstart your fitness journey. Next, focus on intensity. Challenge yourself. Push beyond your comfort zone. Push your limits a little further each time, and you'll be amazed at what your body can achieve. Remember, progress happens when you step out of your comfort zone. Don't forget to mix it up. Variety is the spice of fitness. Incorporate a variety of exercises, from cardio to strength training, and even flexibility routines like yoga or Pilates. Cardio, strength training, flexibility. Each type of exercise targets different muscle groups and keeps things interesting. This not only prevents boredom but also ensures a well-rounded fitness regimen. Remember, consistency is your best friend. Keep track of your progress and stay committed. Stick with it and you'll be rocking that new fitness level in no time. Celebrate your milestones and enjoy the journey. Your fitness journey begins now. Embrace the challenge. So there you have it. your roadmap to fast-track your fitness. Remember, consistent gym workouts are the secret weapon to unlocking a healthier, happier you. It's about feeling energized, confident, and ready to conquer the world. Embrace the challenge, stay consistent, and celebrate every milestone along the way. And hey, why not share your fitness journey with us? We'd love to hear your story and cheer you on. Watch another video for more fitness tips, workout routines, and inspiring success stories. Your fittest self is waiting.